Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how do you enable Face ID to download apps from the App Store on your new iPhone. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all open the App Store to download the apps and click on Get button next to the app. Click on Install at the bottom of the page. So friends, you can see that it is asking for Apple ID, but we want to get through Face ID. So click on the cancel button. Go back to the home screen and open the settings menu. Scroll down to find Face ID and passcode and tap it. Here you have to set up your Face ID. Click on Get Started. Position your face within the frame. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Move your head slowly to complete the circle again. So guys, as you can see, second Face ID scan has been completed. Click on Done button and enter your new passcode. Click on Use Anyway and then verify your new passcode. Now it will ask you your Apple ID password. So enter the Apple ID password here and click on Sign In button. After that, turn on iTunes and App Store under the Face ID and passcode. Again, it will ask you for your Apple ID password. So enter your Apple ID password here. So guys, all this password you have to enter. Can't unlock Face ID without it to download apps. Now go back to the App Store and find the app that you want to download. Click on the app, then click on Get button. Now double click the side button to install the app. So friends, you can see now the app is downloading through Face ID on my iPhone.